which was offering 16 lakhs per annum salary. And for this, there are 42 students who got shortlisted across India. Only 42 students got shortlisted across India. And they are sorry, not India, Hyderabad. And they were having interviews in their company. And for all the 42 students, they were waiting in the lobby outside. And there were 4 cabins. Okay, there were 4 cabins in which interviews were happening. So these guys cleared, technical rounds. All the rounds, they are only due for HR interview. And HR interviews are happening in these 4 cabins. And whoever are 42 people who are shortlisted for HR interview are waiting outside. Whoever are getting into the cabin and getting interviewed, when they are coming back, so they are telling that, my God, what is this interview? It is very tough. Okay. And there is one girl called Parimala who went into the, went for the interview. She was our student. Right. And she got trained by us. And you see the difference between a student who got trained by us and how they have all these things in place. I wanted to just show you as a case study this HR interview, right? So the interview happens like this. So this girl also went in. She did not ask anyone about how the interview was all. She went into the cabin. Chandru, please mute yourself. So she went into the cabin, interview cabin, and when she went into the interview cabin, then the interviewer was writing something on the resume, earlier attended candidate's resume, and this girl stood, Parimala stood in front of that cabin, in front of that interviewer before the table, and was just standing. After a minute, that interviewer looked at her and he asked, "When did you come?" "Sir, I came a minute before." "Oh, you came a minute before, but you did not get to my notice. You have wasted my time." She said, "Sir, as you are writing something, I thought it is important." "Yeah, it is important, but when you are standing, I would have done it later. Why you are wasting your time and my time?" So just think, for an interview with the 16 lakhs package, only 42 people got selected. If an interviewer is welcoming you like this, how much tensed you become, right? So, but Parimala, as she is trained, she said, apologies, sir. I'm very sorry for that." So she simply apologized, and he said, "Sit down." And she sat, and she has given her resume to the interviewer. Interviewer looked at the resume and said, "I have never looked at this, heard about this college, and I was doing interviews from past 5 or 6 years, but I have never come across any student from this college. Is it a good college?" She said, "Yes, sir, absolutely. It's a good college, and that's the reason they have given me a good platform to clear, and that's how I have cleared all the tech accounts and here." "Oh, is it so? You look very arrogant. You look you have a lot of ego." She said, "No, sir, it is not about ego. It is about my confidence. I'm telling you, because you asked me about my college. I just thought I have to tell you about what my college is and all." "Okay." He said, "Okay." And he said, "Okay, fine. So I will, do the interview with 2 conditions. You have to always be in the situation. When I'm asking a question, you have to be in the situation and answer the question. And you have to give me a 3 years bond to, serve my company. If you are ready to give a 3 years bond, and first of all, when I'm interviewing you, you have to be in the situation and answer my, questions. And next, you have to serve my company for 3 years, and you have to give me a bond. So are you ready for that?" Parimala said, "Okay, I'm ready, sir." Then he said, "Oh, it looks like you are very hungry for the job. You are telling everything, just like that." Then Parimala said, "Sir, it is not just like that. I have joined my first year. I have understood that, this technology in which I have expertise right now interests me, is what I have understood in first year. And second year, third year and all, I just, developed my skills, and third year I've done internship on that. Now I have an expertise. After I have built the expertise in that particular technology, then I have done a research on what are the companies in which this technology projects are there. Then I found one of the company, yours as one of the company, and I have applied for that. And I'm very sure that I require 3 years time to build. Sai Pranay, please. I'm very sure that I require 3 years time to get to a level, use this platform, your company, and get to a level. So that's the reason I said yes. Oh, so you have done so much groundwork. Okay. Then he started asking. So now our interview starts. He said, just imagine, just think that you are getting married after 6 months after joining this company. She said, no, sir, I don't have any plans. Parimala, I told you that, you have to be in situation and answer. If you cannot be in the situation, then the next time I'm not going to give you a chance. She said, I'm sorry. I'll be in the situation. I'll keep myself in your situation and answer. So you're getting married after 6 months, and after some time, you're giving birth to a premature baby. Premature baby means, a child born before the due date. And, that baby would be 50% safe if you continue the job. This is happening after 1.5 years, and you have still 1.5 year bond. And at that point of time, the doctor says that if you can leave the baby to your mother, that is, this Parimala's mother, and continue working in the company, then the baby would be 50% safe. And if you quit the job and take care of the baby on your own, the baby would be 100% safe. So what would you do? Is what HR has asked Parimala. Parimala said, obviously, sir, I'll quit the job and take care of my baby. Then he said, Parimala, see, I've asked you to, initially only told that, you should not waste my time. You have agreed for 3 years bond, and now you are saying that, you have to, you will quit the job in between. What is this? You have wasted my time and our time. Then she said, sir, I think for any human, the personal life is more prior than the professional life. So, because this is an issue of my personal life, which would be more prior than my professional life, I have opted for this, personal life situation. It is not to break the bond, because that is more prior for any human, in fact, for me. So that's why I have. No, we don't look at, all those things. You have unnecessarily wasted my time. You can leave. She said, I'm very sorry to disappoint you and waste your time. Thanks for the opportunity, sir. And she was going. And when she was opening the door and leaving the cabin, then he called again. Parimala, just think about, you cleared all the technical rounds. You are going to get into a dream project, which most of the freshers are dreaming. You will be sent to, on-site US after just 3 months, and you will be given this package, this incentive and all. Think about all these things. Now tell me, do you want to stay or do you want to quit? Then she said, sir, it may be easy for me to tell you that, I quit, I take up your thing and, for the namesake and, take this job. But if I do like that, then, all my life, I have built my career so strong till date that, I am very much eager to get into a career and, excel in my career. But if I take up answer just like that and take up this job, which is a lie, which would be a lie, all my career, that lie would haunt me, saying that, I have had a stepping stone into my career with a lie. So, no, sir, sorry, very sorry. My parenting is not like that. They have always taught me values. I want to stick to that. Very thankful for giving this opportunity and all these things. But I'm very sorry that, I cannot take up the offer. Then he said, leave. She left. She came out of the, interview room. And, she asked the respective trainers, sir, the interview happened like this. Because such things come to me ultimately, as I'm the head of the institution. So they have come to me. And she asked me what happens. I said, you will get selected. The results are out and she got selected. Now, if you understand this HR question, right, what they are looking at, they are looking at, a lot of things. They are looking at our individuality. They are looking at her decision making. They are looking at her values. So this is all that is required. And this, you need to have such a mindset. If you have a mindset of all these things, then your thought, action, and interaction would be proper. And you would be a good human being or a righteous human being in this nature. And we are going to train you on these and developing this mindset. A lot of people train soft skills, with the questions and answers. But we always train, we keep putting you into the situations and asking you, how do you, handle them? How do you, answer them? And we will tell you that, what is right and how you have to tune yourself. So this is the training of soft skills that we do. Okay. So this is how it is going to be. So now, as far as our training is concerned, I said there are skills that we talk about. Skills. What are those skills? Problem solving, algorithms, data structure, programming language, and communication. And they are of the higher level for product roles, moderate level of services roles, and we also teach you attitude. We also teach you attitude. Okay, we also teach you attitude. Okay, attitude is this. This is how we develop. So these are all the things that we do. And now let me come to what are the trainings that we offer. We offer employability. Okay, employability is the training which has got aptitude, English, and soft skills. The code of this employability training is EMP. And this employability training is one of the course of Sunteck Corp, and this can be opted by you if you are not interested in IT. Okay, if you are not interested in programming or thing. And the people who are interested in programming, but they don't have any knowledge about programming, they have to be taught from hello world. So they will be taught employability, all these three, but along with that, we will teach them C, DS, and also Java or Python. Okay, these are the things that we teach. And the students, they don't need to know anything about programming, so they'll be taught from hello world. This is the second thing. And what is the third thing that we have? We have IT product, ITP, IT product training. So IT product training is more about algorithms, okay, and data structures, and it is more about one programming language anyway, and it is more about problem statements, programs, and you will be. This is phase one. This is phase one. And once you are done with phase one, so you are there with us from now until next 2 years time. We are going to handhold you for next 2 years time. So until 23 October, we are going to from now September until 23 August, 2023 August, we are going to do all these trainings for you one by one. So the first phase is this, and the second phase is for the people who are interested in IT services, they will undergo SDSC, services level DS algorithms. Students who are interested in product, they'll undergo PDSCL level 1. So this is for 3+ lakhs packages, 3+ lakhs packages, companies, and this is for 6+ lakhs packages, and PDSA 2 for 10+ lakhs packages, and PDSA 3 for 20+ lakhs packages. Okay, so once this phase one is done, so we have this phase two. This is the phase two. And once this phase one is done, so if whoever are interested in IT, careers, they will get into these programs and we'll train them. Now, somebody in phase one, they are in employability, they wanted to get into IT services. Okay, employability and IT services, anyone can opt. So what we are going to do now, so we are going to send you one Google form. After my session, there will be a Google form that will be sent, and you have to opt whether you are interested in, if you are only interested in employability, you have to opt EMP, core engineering guys. And IT services, you want from the basic scratch, you have to opt IT services. If you can code programs, then you have to opt for IT product. But we will send you a Google form and you have to opt this. And after that, we'll conduct a pre-HPA, pre-hiring potential assessment. And this is an online test which has got aptitude test, English. The pattern will be shared with you before the test, and programming MCQs. You are done with C programming, right? In that C programming will ask, and we'll see whether anyone of you know coding. Okay, once this test is over, the students who are opting through Google Form for employability and IT services, this test is only to understand how you are. There is no selection process. But the students who are opting for IT product, after the test, based upon your performance, will conduct interviews also. Interviews, and in these interviews, we'll decide whether you are suitable for this batch or. Okay, so this is the pre-HPA that we do. First, you have to choose the batch, then we conduct the pre-HPA. Whoever are choosing employability and IT services, they don't have any selection. But whoever are choosing IT product, they have to undergo interviews, and if they are good, then only they'll be put into IT product. This is based upon selection, this batch. And once this phase 1 is happening, you can see upgrade to employability to IT services without any selection. But if you wanted to upgrade to IT product in between, based upon your performance, we will promote, or you can also based upon your performance, you will be promoted. And if your participation is not good, you will be demoted also. Similarly, in phase 2 also, when you get into these trainings, here also you will be either promoted or demoted based upon your participation. So this is how it is going to happen. And I'm going to show you in my next orientation around 100 companies, okay, which are asking for which have the requirement. 100 companies. In it has got all core engineering companies which are civil engineering. Shobha Developers is the civil engineer who take interns with 7-8 lakhs package, and when they become full time, they give 12 lakhs. And Shobha Developers are the one who has built Mysore campus for Infosys, which can accommodate 14,000 students to live at that time. Okay, so mechanical companies, civil companies, electrical companies, electronics companies, there are a lot of companies that are there. And we have one LinkedIn group called Campus Opportunities, in which all of you will be joined, and you will have all the opportunities in the form of what you call internships and jobs that are there and going to be posted in this Campus Opportunities LinkedIn group, and you can apply. So this also belongs to Sunteck Corp. So this is the agenda that we are going to do for you guys for the next 2 years time. And it starts with a Google form, and then you will be categorized into this. These trainings happen as a phase 1, and these trainings happen as phase 2, and this will happen in just 6 months time or so. These are the things, but these will happen for a long time. And phase 2, we are not, though we are handholding until 2 years, we'll finish all these trainings in first 1 year, and the second 1 year you will be into internships. And we will refer you for a lot of internships as well. Okay, relevant internships. So this is all about what we are going to do, what is the agenda of Sunteck Corp for you. And when you are undergoing all these things, you will definitely get to a level of becoming an engineer who can think, who will develop techno consciousness and have an understanding about the human utility of existing applications, and also to develop an attitude of understanding pain points and thinking about the solutions, also understand limitations and think creative about innovations and all that stuff. So this is from my end. And now I would like before I head on to question and answer hour, I would like to again ask who is the one who spoke to me from CSEA. Please any others also can speak to me. I am just asking them because I spoke to them, but others also can give your opinion. So CSEA, who spoke to me? Are you there, Divyam? So how is all this?
So very informative, sir.
Yeah. So did you get a confidence that Sunteck Corp can give you a good roadmap?
Yes, sir.
A good platform, and this is a good roadmap.
Yes, sir.
And I just want to tell you that what are the selections that we have earlier. 2022 batch I'm telling as a case study. Okay, Deloitte. Last year there were 7 or 8. 2021, that which we have done, but now they are 25. Modak. Do you know the salary of them? Deloitte 7.2. product role. Modak, 6 lakhs. Okay. Modak has got, last year they were around 15 to 20. Now they are 37. CTS, Cognizant for 6.75 product role, 16. So just 3 companies have come till date, and the number is 78. And Infosys also, there are 2 for higher package beside 3+ lakhs. So we are doing very good. And last year 2021 Cisco 16 lakhs offers were there, 2 offers. So it's still the campus is happening, and we are looking for Amazon 33 lakhs package, and that's where we are training for this batch. For 2022 we are doing this training. 2021 we could not do all these trainings. We have done only phase 1. But 22 we are doing phase 2, all these trainings, and 23 also we are going to do. 24, we are expecting very good numbers to have with 20+ lakhs packages. Okay, and so this is what we are going to do. And who is CSEB? Anyone from CSEB?
Yes, sir.
How are you feeling?
Sir, I know about this problem solving algorithms, data structures on programming language and communication, but all the other things are fantastic. I'm really fascinating about this, what you are doing, and I think I'll apply to this IT product, and I have confidence that I will get that PDSA 3.
Oh, very good, very good. But initially it will start with IT product, and then in the second phase it will be PDSA. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For
Yes,
good profiles like you, Chandru, definitely.
Thank you.
Yeah. So next, CSCC. Anyone spoke to me? Others also can speak. Yeah, it is Charan. It is CTS, Cognizant Technology Solutions. Yeah. Others, ITA. Who is ITA?
Charan, sir.
Yeah, Charan, tell me, how is this?
It was amazing, sir. We learned a lot.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So you understood about skills and attitude also now, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, which are very important. And next, ITB. Anyone from ITB were there?
Sir, it was very good and very informative, sir. I hope this programs will help us bridge the gap between our skills and the requirements of companies.
Good, Kaushik. Good. Arun. Good. Arun. Yeah. Yeah. Anyone from CSC branch? Other than the guys who spoke earlier. Anyone want to speak to me? CSC guys. Any section. CSC. I'll not come back to you again. So last chance for CSC guys to speak to me. Yeah. IT guys. Any IT guys? ITC. Did I speak to ITC? Yeah. Sorry. Kaushik, tell me, how is it?
It is quite good, sir, and it is more informative.
Okay.
Next, I think it is useful from a career building.
Yeah, great. Next, anyone from IT other than whom I spoke earlier wish to speak to me, talk about your opinion on this? You guys have to be very much you have to go getters. You have to be good actually. There is one aspect here, when I talk about this mindset. So the people look at right mindset, and also they look at people who are productive. So they want people who are productive, who get things done. They don't want people who lay back. They want people to come forward. They want people to speak. They want people to participate. So I'm asking last time, CSC, anyone are there who wish to give your opinion? So I would be feeling good, right? Yeah, you also felt good. This is unfortunate. This is an online session. You only can see me and hear me, and I don't know what is happening with you unless until you speak. A couple of guys, if you speak, I'll understand. Anyone from CSE branch?
Yes, sir, the session was quite good.
Yeah, Snigdha.
We were able to learn a lot of new things, sir. Actually, we know very few of them.
Okay.
And pertaining to me, I have learned a lot of new things, sir. I just got a clear picture of what job interviews be like, actually.
Good, good. Yeah.
Yes,
Anyone else?
I definitely hope it will help my career in developing my career.
Very good, very good. All the best.
Thank you.
Anyone else? CSE.
So I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, in the first hour, you were saying about we have to get new ideas like entrepreneurship. We have to, like, you motivated us to get into entrepreneurship. But once we have ideas and take it to investors, get them invested, after that, we need a lot of man force to start coding. We need a lot of people, then design, then enhance. Like you have told about all of those things, no, sir. Like for our students who actually got into like just we are experiencing, like we are going into the world like this moment, like how can we, without not so much experience, how can we actually survive in that world, sir?
Good question. See, Anaushika, right? How shall I say? Anaushika, yeah. So it's a good question, but when you start, getting into these things, you will develop a circle. See, there are coding platforms like HackerRank.
Yes, sir.
HackerRank. And when you get onto these coding platforms, what happens? Usually, when you are coding, this code is viewed by a lot of people, and there will be one investor who likes your way of coding, and they call you. It may be a company, or there may be an investor, and he says, how you're coding like this, and do you have any unique ideas? When you tell about your unique ideas, that investor will look into all that stuff. You would be only a person with that idea. But what happened in Redbus, when they have come up with that idea, investor had 500 crores, 90 crores each, 180 crores. The other 320 crores are gone to investor only, right? So he was a major stakeholder, but he has given some percentage to them as well, right? He has given that percentage will be given to you, and they will take care of everything. Investors. You understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you don't need to worry. And once you have your journey up to some extent, once you come to the third year, then you will understand all these things. How the manpower is available for and you will usually the manpower is not hired at that level. It is 3 or 4 friends who come together and do that. A lot of innovations that we talk about, they are the friends that they do usually. I have one girl called Sai Lakshmi Leela from Narayanama College. She, along with one Shravan Gattu, they have they were always thinking about their tire. They are from mechanical engineering, so they were thinking there's a tire, the tube tire tube of any vehicle. When the vehicle gets punctured, or when the air gets down, then vehicle cannot be run. So they have invented a device which will keep the air. It will not allow the air to become more or become less. So the device is they have invented. And when they have invented the device, they were looking at investors. They could not get a proper investor. They came to me. I have connected them to one of the German company guys, and that German company guys have liked the idea and they have invested in that. And they have started building that these 2 guys along with other 3 or 4 engineering guys. They have taken all of them as a team. They all are studying final year, and they have made that device for the German company. German company has invested. And that is now being marketed across New Zealand, Australia, and all the places. And these guys are in a very good position. They are in Australia right now. All the 6 members who developed that this, they are all friends, girls and boys.
Yes, sir.
Did I answer your question, Anuj?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, thanks. So anyone from Revant, they wish to tell something? No.
Sir?
Yeah. Who is this? Who is this? Yeah. Anyone from EC who wish to speak to me? Anyone from EC who wish to speak to me? Okay. Anyone from EEE who wish to speak to me? EEE. No, somebody spoke to me, right? Who is that? EC also somebody spoke to me. Who is that? Who spoke to me from EC? Is that person there or left? Yeah, Siddharth. How is
First
everything?
of all, it was very informative, and I got to know about what are the skills required to pursue a good job.
Okay. Yeah. Was there any difficulty, me, showing everything in an Excel than, using a PPT and all?
No.
I don't use PPTs for the reason that, people don't, put their, eye on that. If I'm writing, then you will have more focus. That's why I do presentation like this. Do you agree?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, thanks. Now it's, anyone from mechanical or automobile? Anyone from civil?
Sir,
Surya Kiran. Yeah, Surya Kiran.
I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, please.
Things phase the SDSA and PDSA 1, 2, 3, which are
Yes.
in phase 2.
Yeah.
Are they applicable in IT services also, sir?
They are all, the IT application for integrated application. See, tomorrow, which branch are you from?
Mechanical B, sir.
Mechanical. So if you have to write a code for your mechanical, product, then you require these things. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
It is for your integrated application, you require these things. And this training will help you to, get selected for your product, for your mechanical products also, for product companies also.
So for choosing these things, I should be getting IT products, sir, or I can choose IT services and go for this.
If you are, somebody have to choose their level only. They can be upgraded later. You understand? It's a 2 years program, Surya. So
Yes,
if you are interested in, if you are not interested in IT, then only you have to choose the EMP. But if you are interested in IT, if you don't know coding, you have to choose IT services. But you know coding, then you have to apply for IT product. But this is a selection. And once this phase is done, then we will have a selection process for these things also. And after when we are doing phase 2 also, there is promotion and demotion based upon your performance. Understand?
Yes.
Yeah. Anyone else?
I'm Shashank from Mechanical. I have a question.
Yes.
When you spoke about the training which we'll be receiving, PGs or something, I could not remember the abbreviations, but the gist of it, what I got was you'll be training us in coding.
Yeah. Employability, all these things, these 3 things, as well as coding.
And I have a question. I'm from Mech myself. So what kind of training will we be receiving from the core branches?
Core branches, if you are interested in IT, if you want to get into integrated applications in the future, mechanical, which involves coding. You understand? Mechanical, which involves algorithms, and coding and all. Then you have to choose, IT services. If you are not,
so anybody from any branch will be taught how to code.
Yes.
So nothing related, deeply related to the core branch as of such.
No. There's no restriction. Even civil engineering, any guy can join.
No, I mean the training which we'll be receiving, nothing related to the core subjects which we deal with.
No, we don't train on core subjects.
Okay, fine. Since you mentioned that Mech girl from Narayanam, I thought.
No, that is, I have only helped her.
Okay, fine.
For identifying an investor. Yeah. Any more?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me, Vinay.
Sir, after getting placed, after getting a seat in EEE, many are mentally fixing that you may only get in the government jobs and getting placed from the campus is very low. Is that true, sir?
No, it is wrong. See, government jobs, it is always good. I don't say no. But at the same time, EEE, if you are from EEE, then there are, areas like material science, which is, very much, in demand in corporate. So if you look at, companies like Philips, Samsung and all, they are, very looking for EEE guys for this material science and all. But all these companies, earlier it was just only your core engineering, but now it is an integrated application. So what I can do for all of you guys who are from core engineering is, so we have one, approach. for each and every engineering, we will get an industry person, and we'll have 3 hours orientation on the prospects of that core or of that engineering stream. Okay, so that we will do down the lane. Have you all understood? So if there is a mechanical student, mechanical branch is there, I'll get an industry person who is working in mechanical and tell you what are all the prospects of mechanical engineering in government and private sector and the corporate sector. Is that fine? Not just mechanical, for all the branches.
Sir, can you tell us more about that exam? The test
Yeah,
for
exam, it is an
SDSA.
aptitude test. It is this pattern will be shared with you down the lane. So how many questions, how much duration, and all that stuff. And they give some sample questions also if required. So a sample paper is given to you to practice, and then a real paper to write. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any more questions? There is one chat question, sir. I'm Yarka from ECC. It's a very good information, sir. Happy. And, okay. Thank you, Niharika. Okay, I thought it is a question. Yeah. Any more? Having any questions? Sashank.
Sir, it's me again.
Yeah, tell me.
In case someone like me from core departments chooses not to pursue any of the coding courses, but still wants to get in touch with opportunities, they can still register for any of your programs.
Employability.
Okay, fine.
Employability, which I do not have coding. Yeah. Any more questions? Guys, last,
Sir,
yeah, Surya.
yeah, can you explain once more about what are the requirements for IT product? Means you should be completely well known about one programming language.
One programming language, you should be able to code programs. Easy, simple programs also, if you are able to code, I'm good with that. But you should be able to code a program in one of the, not required Java or Python. It can be C++, any programming language. I don't mind. But you should be able to code program. Sai Charan, your voice is breaking. Yeah. Anyone else? Last few minutes, guys. We have to wind up. I'm already, Sharanya. Who is this?
Sir, will this exam be in this week or after the SEM exams?
We will discuss with college, and your training starts after your exam. Your semester exams are there, right?
Yes, sir.
Training starts after the semester exam, but this Google form will be sent. The batches are formed before the exams. Yes, guys.
Sir, I'm Uday Kumar from Mechanical.
Yeah.
I know C language, not much professional, but I have an idea about C language. I can do programming and all C language.
Yeah.
So can I go to IT product?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
Any more questions, please? Last 4 minutes. Let us wind up at 1:20.
So, a small confirmation.
Yeah, tell me, Monica.
Sir, who are interested in coding and C language, they should opt for IT product, and the people who are not interested in such coding, they should opt for IT services, now, sir.
No, IT services or IT product is coding. Who are not interested in coding, they have to opt for employability.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. In IT services also we teach employability. In IT product also we'll teach employability. Employability is common for all the courses.
Sir, should we write test for IT products or IT services also, sir?
No. You have to write test. Test is compulsory, but you will not be, based upon your Google form option, you will be selected. You will be put into employability or IT services without any selection process. But if you are opting IT product, then we have to get selected to get into that.
So what about fees, sir?
Fee, that you have to talk to college. We don't charge from you. The college pays us. We don't charge from students. We charge from college.
So, excuse me.
Yeah, please.
So the test, what is the topic for the test? Like, what will the test be on?
Aptitude, there are 18 topics on quantitative aptitude, and there are, what you call around 12 topics on reasoning ability.
So when will be the test, sir?
Test, we have to discuss with the college and let you know. Programming MCQs are on C, DS, and little on Java, Python. Not Python.
We don't know Java.
No, we don't consider. We'll just see whether you are aware or not. We don't consider that for selection. If you are able to code in C, that is enough for us to take you to interviews.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Nikhil.
Sir, I'm a student from CSE branch.
Yes.
So, I'm not that good at coding. I didn't start coding nicely from the first year itself.
Okay, you have to join IT services.
Yes, sir. So, if I start coding nicely from now, can I be placed in a good product-based company?
See, I'll tell you one guy, because you have asked this question, I'm telling you. There's one guy called Rishi from one of the college. He was a son of a farmer, and he was living in a room with a lot of limitations. And he doesn't know coding, nothing. He knew anything. He has just come from a Telugu medium school in college and joined there. And he started doing the engineering. And you don't believe, he learned everything one by one from the scratch, and he cracked 33 lakhs Amazon offer. I'm going to send the article of him. Once your WhatsApp groups are formed, I'll send that article. You read that article. And this guy has started from scratch, and he cracked 33 lakhs Amazon offer. He should be a best example. Rohit, sir, what if we interested to join IT but we don't know coding and programming languages? Yeah, you have to join IT services. That will be taught from basic, complete basic. Hello World program, C programming, Hello World. Who do not know any programming at all can join from IT services. I suggest everyone to whoever are interested in integrated applications to join IT services if they don't know coding. If you can write programs, Anil, then you opt for ITP, but you have to go through selection process.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, once we go.
Yeah, your voice is breaking.
Say we don't get selected, can we still choose IT services or something, sir?
Yeah. No, it is whoever. If you are not getting selected, then we'll put you automatically in IT services. And after some time, we'll see your performance and we'll upgrade to IT product during this first phase only. Fee, I already told you, Akhilesh, you have to ask college. We charge from college. I don't know how college charges you and all. That internal thing, I don't know. We charge from college. College pays us. Yeah, any more questions?
Excuse me, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Sriharsha of CSCI.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, is it necessary? Is it necessary we have to have a little bit of knowledge in coding to join the employment one, sir? Or else are we supposed to take the IT option?
No. If you are interested in IT, and if you don't know coding, you join IT services.
Yes,
If
sir.
you're interested in IT, if you know coding, you apply for IT product for selection class.
Yes, sir.
That is the point.
Thank you, sir.
Between IT services and IT product is IT services, IT start from scratch. IT product, you need to know the programming. That is the difference. Yeah, in IT services, employability is there. I have already put there. Siddharth. Yeah, some girl was trying to speak. Who is that?
Excuse me, sir. I'm Shreya from IT.
I mean, Shreya.
Sir, sir, if I choose IT services, will I be taught Java or Python or both?
You have to choose one.
Okay.
All of you will be, categorized with one of the programming language. You can choose only one. Any more questions? We are at 123 already. Okay. So guys, thank you very much for joining my session, and we look forward for a great 2 years journey with you guys, and we are very hopeful. Wherever we do the program, we are always making sure that there's a very good outcome. And once the WhatsApp groups are formed, then I will send you the videos, articles, news, media articles, and all, so that you will understand, what is Suntecorp and how do we do. Somebody is asking, the training is offline or online? If it is COVID is continuing, it is online. Else it would be offline only. Sir, can shift from IT service to IT product in future? No, you don't shift, but we will promote you based upon your performance. If you are doing good in IT services, we'll promote you to IT product. Who is, yeah. Any more questions? Java or Python, there is an orientation on that. After that, you decide. Don't decide now. So thank you guys. Thank you for joining. I believe are there any one student who would like to conclude from the students' point of view, representing students, and I wanted to understand, are there any good presenters here who can speak well about how all this has happened, so that I feel good. If I have done a good job, I feel good. Are there any students who are very good speakers?
It's been a pleasure listening to you, sir. You have briefed upon everything very beautifully. You told us what engineering entails and how to get into the world of engineering. It's been a pleasure listening to you. Thank you so much, sir.
Very nice, very nice. Yeah, thanks. Yeah. So this is what is the thing, and let's go ahead, guys. I'm telling you one important thing. All of you definitely would be successful. Life, the most important thing is you would be definitely successful if you really have one thing with you, that is desire on a righteous note in favor of nature. Desire on a righteous note in favor of nature. Whatever you wish to do, you are always going to be successful. Nature stands for you. So with this, I conclude this session, and look forward for a great journey with all of you guys. Thank you very much for joining my session. You can sign off.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Most
Thank
welcome.
you, sir.
Most welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Most welcome.